Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what do we got going on today? Well, I was asked by a subscriber, and I'll put his name up here, about making a clear Bloody Mary. And you know, that intrigued me. So, hey, let's give it a shot. So, let's get started. Okay, so the best way I figured out to accomplish this is first, I wanted to see if we could at least get the flavors to come through and see what it would taste like. So, instead of making, you know, a big a mash and go through with the big still and all that, I figured we got this nice air still. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little experiment and see if we can get those flavors to come through. So, what ingredients do we need? Okay, so what we're going to do is the ingredients we're going to use is I just bought some, to be honest with you, cheap vodka for the alcohol. Okay, so we're going to use that. Every Bloody Mary I ever seen has celery in it, so celery seed will give you a good celery taste. Then we got some tomato juice. So you got to have tomato juice. And I got some hot pepper sauce. I got some, now I know I ain't going to be able to pronounce this, Worcester sauce. You know, that stuff. All right. And then we got some salt, pepper, and a little bit of lime juice. Okay. So what we're going to end up doing is, and the best thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep notes of what I use, because we need some kind of base point, you know, so next time do we add this, take that away, whatever the case may be. So we'll take good notes of what we actually used. So what I'll do is I'm going to mix this ingredients into the air still. We're going to distill it out, and we're going to see what it tastes like. It might be good, might not be. We'll find out, okay? This, like I said before, this is just going to be kind of an experiment. I thought it was pretty interesting. Let's see how it turns out, okay? So, let's get ready to add in our ingredients to the still pot. Okay, so let's get our ingredients added into the still pot here. Okay, the first thing we're going to put in is our tomato juice. And like I said, I'm not sure how these flavors are going to come across. It's going to be interesting to find out. Okay, so then I got my vodka. Okay. I got a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. We'll put that in there. I got 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, okay, so we're going to use a heavy tablespoon of, you know, this stuff, this sauce. All right, and we're also going to use 1 tablespoon of hot pepper sauce. Okay. Okay, so let's put the top on her. Get it plugged in. Get it turned on. Okay, so we set our first initial setting to 82 Celsius, which would be about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. 180 degrees. Okay, so alright, so we're going to see what happens. I forgot one very, very important ingredients is I'm going to use a tablespoon of celery seed. I forgot to show you that. I mean, that's a big taste in a Bloody Mary. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of celery seed. Okay. Now let's put the top back on it and we'll get this thing to going. Okay, so we're back. We've run our clear Bloody Mary through the air still. And here's our distillate we round up with, nice and clear. We did proof it down to 90 proof. Now the real question is, what's it going to taste like? I mean, yeah, it's crystal clear. I can smell the tomato. Yeah, it's got a lot. The tomato really, the smell of it really came through. I'm a little nervous. Okay, let's give her a taste, see what it does. It's different. Ooh, it still steams a little hot. I can taste the tomato. No, I mean, I can almost taste the hot sauce a little bit, you know, just like when you drink a Bloody Mary. That is weird. I like that is weird. It tastes like a Bloody Mary. How odd. Now, would I choose this over a Bloody Mary? Well, it don't have the mouthfeel as real tomato juice does. But I sure definitely can smell and taste all the ingredients in there. What would I change? I think I would add a little bit more of the seasoning, you know, of the Bloody Mary. Not bad. Okay, well, this will be the first step. I guess the next thing, I mean, if the I don't know what to do next, but I'll have to say this was a success. It tastes like a Bloody Mary, and as you can see, it is crystal clear. It probably does not have all the acid, I would have guessed, as a Bloody Mary does. But overall, my first impressions is pretty damn good. It's just a little bit different. I mean, my senses are saying it's the tomato juice and all that, but the mouthfeel is not. You know, because tomato, you know, a Bloody Mary will fill you up. You know what? Hey, this has been a very interesting. So, yes, you can make a clear Bloody Mary. All right, but the only thing I got left to say is, hey guys, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Damn, that ain't bad.